today, meron ako mga pina-familiarize kay Cassie. So, ngayon, memorize niya pa lang yung mga pictures. Hindi ko pa siya naturuan sa alphabet talaga. So, today, Cassie, what's this?
Apple.
Very good. This one?
Apple.
This one? Cassie, look, focus. Didn't he hard? Cap. Very good. How about this one? Dark. Very good. How about this one? Elephant. Very affy. This one? Fish. How about this one? What's this? Giraffe. Hindi pa niya masyadong memorize yung mga animals. So, what's this? Horse. This one? Adi. Huh? That's not cup. That's a... Ano to? Spoon. Oh, so ini ano man ini here? Focus, anay. So, hindi rin siya familiar dito. Ang iglo na may bahay. Ang iglo na may square. What's this? Well. Ini ano man ini? Ade, ano man ini? What's this? I focus, anay. Ay, daddy nagwo-watch. What's this? J. Anong tawag ito? Short. It's a jeans. How about this one? Oh, Ade, what's this? Shiryu? What's this in English? Knife. What's this? Lump. How about this one? Napunit na niya. Moon. How about this one? Oh, net. Galing. How about this one? Owl. So, banana eh. Hindi rin niya alam to. How about this one? Oh, sige, this one. What's this? Tree. Oh, sige, mami naman. How about this one? Sige, ano ini ya? Flower. Pen. What's this? So, hindi rin to niya familiar. Napakahirap dito kahit sa akin. This one. I know you know this. What's this? Yes. Tapos na kita. Madaliin na lang. What's this? Rabbit. Uy! barko. In English?
I think it. Ano?
Ship. Hindi niya sa English. So, how about this one? That one. This one is swan. Ade, ano man yun eh? Ano yun eh na? Cha? Cha? Taxi. How about this one? Unicorn. Stump. Iba ang stump na stump. Ang stump naman niya yun eh. Stump ang gidudukot. Stump daw. Siyapakan. How about this one? View. Stump. Okay. How about this one? What is this, Cassie? Stump. Sticker by sticker. Panugot nga to. May sobre. May ito. Anong tawag ini? Wallet. Ini, you have this here. Size. Violet. Ano to, violet? Ito na. So, wallet. And then, this one is silent moon. Hindi rin niya alam to. This one? Yo-yo. How about this one? Last one. This one. Zoo. So that's it for today. Ang dami pa niyang hindi alam dito. So, picture muna yung pina-familiarize ko sa kanya. Sunod naman yung mga alphabet naman. Bye!
Bye, Mommy, Daddy.